Hi, I'm Bree Guntz with Packaging World. What follows is a clip from an on-demand Packaging World webinar, Innovations in Linear and Independent Motion Packaging Applications. Scan the QR code at the end of the video to access the full discussion.
When I was with Kisters in Germany, we had actually affiliated, actually right on our grounds, a technical school there that did Mechatronics, just what Glenn was talking about. And then what they would also do with them is they would actually have them as part of their learning. They would build components for us, sub-assemblies. And then at the end of the day, they would probably have 18 to 20 students in each class. And they were becoming more and more females getting into it. And then at the end of it, then they could select the best of the crop. In other words, they would always get and most of the time those were single kid, people that weren't married. And so they didn't have an objection to being on the road for a while. And then they, put them on the road and let them be out there for a while. And then, once they got tired of that, then they brought them into the factory. So, but, that was a fully integrated system. In other words, because I've spent a lot of time over there, just talking to them and working with them on different things. But, they made some of the really critical parts of our machine.